How to get $100 Etsy promo code. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in couponfollow.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of CouponFollow. Now at the top right, you will find the search icon. Click on it. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Etsy.com and search for it. With that, tons of offers and coupon codes will appear. You can scroll down. You can check out all of these coupon codes. An Etsy coupon is a discount code that can be used to purchase items from shops on the Etsy platform. Etsy coupons are typically offered by individual sellers, but they can also be offered by Etsy itself during sales events or promotions. In this page, you're gonna find exciting and amazing offers. If you're interested in any of the offer, click on the option of See Details. For instance, I have selected 10% off on my order. Now I can click on Copy. Once you copy this code while you check out, you can apply it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code. If you want to use this code right away, click on this option of Redeem at Etsy. With that, you will land to the official website of Etsy. Now log into your account and when you check out, apply this code. By applying the same process, you can use great deals and offers of Etsy. So that's all for this video. This is how you can get $100 Etsy promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.